Well, welcome back, guys. This is the other half of the Ford video I just made. Had to end it shortly, but removing 40 plus years of cow manure and corn silage and all types of stuff off the 7.6 right now. As you can see, I am covered from head to toe in this stuff. But I mean, I tried pressure washing it, it just won't come off. Found some holes in the rim. It's probably why the tires don't hold air. I might be able to weld those up. Might have to get some new outside rims. To get the job done right, sometimes you gotta get dirty. Then what I do is I spray down all the machine surfaces with some penetrating oil. I'm using WD-40 right now. That's pretty much it. A little shorter video than usual. But as you can see, I'm covered. I'm tired. I'm gonna go take a shower. I'll probably go to bed. Or work on YouTube. Probably work on YouTube. Videos take forever to upload. That's the problem. Got video recorded on the skid steer, the 800. I think the Odyssey one uploaded earlier, but videos need to be uploaded, so it is what it is. I want to thank everyone for stopping by. Please subscribe, like, comment, share this video. Leave a like. Hit that subscribe button. And until next time, I want to thank everyone for stopping by. I couldn't do it without you guys. You all are awesome.